the Carpenters with M&M Magical Adventures. We are here at Universal's Aventura Resort. We're going to show you around what a 2-queen bedroom looks like, and hopefully it's the right room for you guys in your next vacation. Come along. All right, so as soon as you come in, you actually have a nice little luggage area. So if you need to put your luggage away, or if you have a stroller, that's gonna be a nice spot. The room then opens up here as you turn, and you have this full-length mirror, okay? Check that out. And then on the opposite wall is where you're gonna find your closet space. So this closet has your safe, the iron, you've got your hangers, luggage rack, if you wanna open it up, have extra blankets and pillows, and also an ironing board. Okay, so we're gonna close that guy up. We're gonna walk over here. Before we get to the beds, we're actually gonna turn right, and this is where your bathroom is. So it's a very contemporary, very open feeling room. You've got this nice little washing area. So you have your floating sink, tissues, soap, washcloths, hand towels, all that good stuff. A nice mirror. Hello, everyone. And then you have extra cups. There is a hair dryer and extra bathroom tissue. Then you come over into the bathroom itself. Got a nice stand-up shower with a glass door. Your controls are on the opposite side of the shower head. Again, very contemporary feeling in here. The lighting is dim. You only have one little light that kind of lights up this whole area, so it's not very bright. You also have some towels here, and there's the toilet space. All right, let's walk out of there. You have a thermostat on this wall, but your thermostat will be also on the iPad that we'll touch on. Here is your floor lamp, nice little seat, and then it opens up to your two queen beds. Okay, so this room has 2 queen beds. They each have their own little nightstand on the right. Again, the lighting in here is dim. It's very reduced, but it's nice. So when you come back from the parks after a long day and just wanna relax, it's not as bright as some of their other properties. You only have the lighting that's over here, nothing on the ceiling at all. So you have 2 nice beds, very soft. You have pillows, and this is your phone. You've got some USBs in the back, some standard outlets as well, nice lamp. This is your iPad. We'll get into that more in a little. And again, here's another bed. You turn around, and this is gonna be your desk area and storage. So nice TV. You've got your little coffee maker, ice bucket. Down here will be your cooler fridge. So just to keep your drinks cool, it's a drink cooler. All right, so put that away. And then you've got about 5 drawers here and more storage to put your luggage. So plenty of storage. You know, you can put a decent amount in there. Not super deep, but deep enough to get some things in there. Let's see what this one has. Yeah, it's again about the same. Comes up to the palm of my hand. Workspace over here. A cool little speaker will come to in a little. Here's some plugs, USB and standard. Nice pen and paper. And then we are doing this video at night. So here's the view at night. I'll show you the view in the morning later. But you do see, what do we have? We've got Islands of Adventure with the lighthouse. I also see Rip Ride Rocket over there. So it's a pretty cool theme park view. We'll see if anything lights up later. Fireworks or anything like that. I don't know. We'll see if we get anything cool here in a little bit. But that is a room here, the 2-queen room here at Universal's Aventura Hotel. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little room tour of Universal's Aventura Hotel. If this is the right room for you, please reach out to us. We would love to help you plan your next magical vacation to Universal Studios Orlando. You can contact us at the Carpenters at mnmagicaladventures.com. Feel free to check us out also on the web at thecarpentersadventures.com, and we'll talk to you guys real soon. Thanks.